Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to express my country's appreciation to the Indian Foundation for the convening the Indian Ocean Conference in Hanoi. I would like to thank the organizers of this conference for their hospitality and well organizing. Oman, a diverse, moderate, and tolerant country. Its foreign policy is to support peace, coexistence, tolerance, non-interference in internal affairs of others, and peaceful settlement of disputes in a way that preserve security, stability, and prosperity of the states. And perhaps the Sultanate warm location overlooking the Indian Ocean has firmed these values in Omani behaviors. The basic rule of establishing any cooperation and partnership requires confidence building and value of peace is the ground for any integration and cooperation. Therefore, my country has endeavored with all its capabilities and the confidence given by the international community to bring points of view of friendly and brotherly countries closer. The countries bordering the Indian Ocean have made a significant progress in various political, socio-economic, and technology aspects, all of which an advanced technology have strengthened cooperation, promoted exchange in the trade, and experience. These achievements must be preserved and developed through shared belief in the value of peace, coexistence, and integration. There is no doubt that this conference and its outcomes will help us to move towards a better future for the peoples of this region and address many of the obstacles to progress. God has given Indian Ocean vast resources positively reflected in the people of the region, and there are important areas of interest for states of bordering the Indian Ocean in order to achieve social security and perhaps in the forefront. Science and technology transfer. At the same time, I express my sincere condolences and sympathies to the friendly government of India for the natural disaster that have taken place over the past week, which have resulted in the loss of hundreds of lives and significant losses in infrastructure. My country has also recently been hit by a typhoon that has caused losses of many lives and property. Many countries in the region have also been exposed to this ordeal. Hence, we emphasize that the Indian Ocean region is in dire need of scientific research, transfer of knowledge and technology, and benefit from countries that have made great progress in this field to reduce losses caused by natural disaster. It may be an important gesture by the developed countries to provide support and assistance for the transfer of technology to respective states in need without reservation for the collective interest. Fisheries. Cooperation in development of fisheries research the use of modern technology in fish farming, the fight against commercial fraud and falsification of fishery product, and the sustainable development of this wealth will help to secure the food security for countries bordering the Indian Ocean. Maritime transport. We in Oman emphasize the importance of developing maritime transport sector to facilitate commercial exchanges and civil transportation. My country made progress in this area by developing giant ports that accommodate a high level of trade and maritime transport and support them with large logistic areas, as well as modernizing system and legislation that accommodate potential changes. In this regard, the Sultanate has also established free zones with all the facilities and investment incentives, such as custom exemptions and special facilities for the percentage of ownership and labor. Perhaps this development will make Oman an attractive destination for Indian Ocean countries to increase trade exchange. And here we offer an invitation to the countries of the region to take the advantage of possibilities afforded by my country in this area. The areas of cooperation to achieve social security for the countries of the region are wide and comprehensive, and here I would like to give the chance to my colleagues and listen to their points of view to complete this vision so that we can come out with documented outcomes. We hope it could help to achieve the objectives of this conference. Thank you very much.